Alright, welcome to another video. In today's video I'll be doing a simple upgrade to not only improve the looks but also the function of my travel trailer. I'm going to be installing a set of aluminum wheels and new tires, and these are 15 inches versus the stock ones, which are 14 inches. And this will not only improve the looks but also will give me a little more weight capacity and just a little bit more ground clearance, which I need on my travel trailer. I picked up a set of 4 aluminum wheels with the tires mounted for just a hair over $400. I added a steel wheel with the same tire for the spare on the back. So altogether I've got around just a hair over $500 into this project, and I've got new wheels, new tires, and once again I've added to the appearance, and I'm going to be adding to the functionality by getting just a little bit more capacity in case something were to happen to one of the tires that's currently on it. The only other thing you have to consider is whether or not you want to have your tires balanced. Normally when you get trailer tires from an online retailer, they just come mounted and not balanced, and most people don't balance the tires on their trailer. I'm going to go ahead and have mine balanced, and for the minimal expense that it is, it should provide a better ride and should make the tires last longer. So whether you decide to do that is up to you, but I think it is a benefit. Alrighty, I think it looks pretty good. Nice simple upgrade. We got the new spare on the back over here. Yep, for around 500 bucks for all of them. It's a simple upgrade. Like I said, adds a little more ground clearance and a little bit more load capacity. Just makes it a little bit safer. Alright, if you have a question, comment, leave it below. Please like and subscribe. Later.